Today, I'm going to show you a super effective to not just perfectly cut out any object in Photoshop, but to meticulously preserve its natural, original shadow, giving you full, independent control over it. Ready to make your cutouts indistinguishable from the real thing? Subscribe and let's dive in. To follow along with this photo, the link is inside the description. Press Ctrl+J twice to create two copies from the background image. Double-click on the layer and rename it like so. Make sure the third layer is selected. Click on this tab to create a selection around the subject only. If you can't find the contextual taskbar, grab the Quick Selection tool and click on this tab to create an automatic selection. Excellent. Let's refine the selection. Zoom in with Ctrl++, hold Alt, and add to the selection already made. Navigate to the Layers section, turn off these layers, and add a mask to hide the background. Now turn on the middle layer and keep the rest inactive, like so. Hold Ctrl, click on the mask to activate the selection made previously, and select Layer 2. Go to Select, Modify, and then Contract by 5 pixels. Hit Enter to confirm and press the Delete key to remove it. Press Ctrl-D to remove the selection. Add a solid color and change the fill to black and confirm it. Select the mask attached to the solid color layer. Go to Image and click on Apply Image. From this window, choose the layer with the same name as the one below in the Layers panel. Make sure Invert is checked and confirm it. Hit the Delete key to remove this layer because it's no longer needed. With the Color Fill mask selected, press Ctrl+I to invert it. Press Ctrl+L to open Curves Adjustment, and let's mask out the gray areas like so. Confirm it. Select the mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Turn the third layer on. Excellent! Now that we have the image and the shadow on a transparent layer, you may want to change the background to a different color. Wait, let me show you how to do so. Select the background layer and add a solid color layer. I'm sampling the color from the dress. You can drag the color picker down, like so, to select any color of your choice. We're not done yet. To save it as a PNG image that can be used in other projects, turn the background color off. Go to File, Export, Export As. From the Export window, make sure the format is set to PNG. Ensure the transparency option is checked. Finally, hit the Export tab to save the file to your PC. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Peace out!